In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Stripe by making use of their invoice system. Stripe is a widely used payment processing platform, and if you've ever received a payment link or email asking you to settle a bill, it's quite possible that it came via Stripe. The process is designed to be straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you know exactly how to complete your payment without hassle. Let's begin by talking about how this payment request will first reach you. Generally, you'll receive an email or perhaps a direct link to a beautifully hosted invoice page. This is essentially your online bill. As you open up this email or link, you'll notice a button or a call to action that says something to the effect of "View and Pay." Go ahead and click on that. It will bring you to the main page of the invoice. Once you're on the invoice page, you have the flexibility to choose from a variety of payment options. This is where Stripe's versatility really shows. You can use a credit or debit card if that's convenient for you, or if you prefer, you could opt for digital payment methods like Apple Pay or Google Pay. Some businesses might also offer additional options like bank debits, local wallets, or even buy now, pay later schemes, which could be quite handy depending on your preference or situation. After you've decided which payment method you'd like to use, you'll need to authorize the payment. This is essentially giving the green light for the transaction to go through. At this stage, you may be asked to complete an additional authentication step, such as 3D Secure, which is just a way of making sure everything is safe and secure. This might involve entering a code sent to your phone or responding to a security prompt. Once you've authorized the payment, you'll see a confirmation message appear on your screen, reassuring you that the payment is complete. Additionally, for your records, you'll receive a receipt via email, confirming that everything has been processed successfully. This is a great way to keep track of your payments for budgeting or accounting purposes. Before we wrap up, here's a pro tip. You don't actually need to have a Stripe account to make these payments. That's right. Just use the link provided and your card or any other enabled payment method to settle the invoice. And there you have it. Paying a Stripe invoice is simple and secure, offering a range of payment methods to suit your needs. Whether you're paying for a service or a product, following these steps will ensure a smooth transaction every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.